Assalamu alaikum class 10th. Welcome again. Yesterday I have explained first two rules of narrations. Now I will solve the exercise of first two rules. For this come to page number 173 from your book English Grammar and Composition. Okay, come to its exercise. The first two rules are that the change in tense and also the change in pronoun. Tense will be changed when the reporting verb is in past tense, and also the pronoun is changed in indirect sentences. Now come to its exercise. The first sentence is, she said, I like clouds in the sky. Here we see that inverted commas are there. When we change it into indirect form of speech, then these inverted commas will be removed and the conjunction that is added. Then its indirect will be, she said that she liked clouds in the sky. She said that she liked clouds in the sky. Here you see that the conjunction that is added and the inverted commas are also removed. Second is, he said, I am unwell. He said that he was unwell. Its indirect will be, he said that he was unwell. Here you see that the inverted commas are removed, conjunction that is added, and also the pronoun is changed. The pronoun I will change into the pronoun he. He said that he was unwell. He said, the third one is, he said to her, I live in this building. He said to her, I live in this building. He said to her, that conjunction that is added and inverted commas are removed. He said to her that pronoun is changed and that will be he lived. Now live will change into lived. Tense is also changed. That he lived in, the word this will change into that. He said that he lived in that building. He said to her that he lived in that building. Number 4 is, they said our teacher is on leave. They said our teacher is on leave. They said that their teacher was on leave. They said that their, our will change into their teacher, tense will change, is will change into was, that their teacher was on leave. Here you see that no inverted commas and no comma in indirect form of verb, and the pronoun is changed and the tense is also changed in the indirect form of speech. Number 5. Arif and Aisha said to their mother, we like mangoes. Arif and Aisha said to their mother, Arif and Aisha said to their mother, we like mangoes. Now inverted commas will be skipped and the conjunction that is added and we will change into they. That they like will change into liked. Second form of verb is used. Present indefinite will change into past indefinite. That they liked mangoes. Arif and Aisha said to their mother that they liked mangoes. Number 6 is, she said, I am helping my mother in the kitchen. She said, I am helping my mother in the kitchen. She said that she was helping. Am will change into was that she was helping her mother in the kitchen. She said that she was helping her mother in the kitchen. Number 7 is, he said, I am watering the plants in the garden. He said that he was watering the plants in the garden. Here he was, am will change into was. The pronoun I will change into he. He said conjunction. One is, he said, I am watering the plants in the garden. He said that he was watering the plants in the garden. Here he was, am will change into was. The pronoun I will change into he. He said conjunction that is added and inverted commas are removed. He said that he was watering the plants in the garden. Afsha said, I am sewing mother's shirt. Afsha said that she was sewing mother's shirt. He said they are not doing their duty well. He said that they were not doing their duty well. He said to me, you are not running very fast. He said to me that I was not running very fast. Here you see that the pronoun you will change into I. He said to me, you are. Therefore, when we will change the pronoun, then the pronoun will change into I, not in he. He said to me that I was not running very fast. This is the first 10 sentences of this exercise, and I think 15 are left. The left 15 sentences you have to solve these sentences on your own self. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.